You want to hear a truth moment with that? When I was a little girl and I first joined the United States Air Force, I had a huge why. My huge why was to make sure that I can figure out life and make it, right? The make it word, so I can come back and take care of my family. Throughout my journey of living life, adulting, a lot of things shifted. The family that I wanted to take care of, they passed away or they were taken. The make it, I thought I was making it. Then you come into this world of people that like to push you down and try to dim your light. And it's like, making it for what? Making it for who? So I realized that I am making it. I have made it, So it's like, make it to what level? It's always forever growing, something to always reach and attain. But what is your make it level? Like, what point do you feel inside that you made it? And so once I realized that making it to what? Their levels? They're not even happy inside. So it's like, I've already made it. I've accomplished things that I was told I couldn't accomplish. I already did things and broke records in my family that no one in my family has ever done. So I've already made it. So it's like, why are we living in a world that we have to prove ourselves to others? For what? I no longer subscribe to it.